I'm gonna come back over here. I hit the can right there, so I have to sand that down and put some more of that on it. All right, welcome back. I think today we're gonna try to push up on this pan here, get all those welds knocked down, and kind of sand around where the body meets the pan, or the Bronco meets the pan on the transmission tunnel up on the firewall. Kind of get that knocked back. I only got one can left, and it doesn't have very much in it, so we'll get as far as this goes. But my plan is to paint the whole pan on the seams and across where we had to weld to the brace. Get that all painted. That way we'll be ready for next time to go up on a transmission tunnel and that back firewall. But we got a lot of grinding to do, especially where we had to cut the pan and we got all that stuff daubed up there, weld. So let's get that taken down. And I'm just gonna flatten out the other welds. I ain't looking for seamless perfection, I guess. But I just don't want it to look too bad if somebody looks up underneath there. But anyways, let's over there and I'll kind of show you what I mean. I don't know if I explained it very well. All right, so what I'm looking to do today is get these just a little bit better through here. Maybe knock that down just a little bit more and get all these welds all up through here, kind of knocked down, which they are pretty much knocked down right now, except for these ones right through here. And those could use going over, but all this through here, getting those flat. And that's turned out pretty good. We'll go over it again though. Then we'll kind of strip the paint off. So far up, all the way up and around. There's a hole there we need to get around. Maybe paint this as well. And then once, I don't think I'll have enough paint to do the whole pan, but we get these painted for sure. And this side over here, you see got rust coming through. And hopefully that up through there, but then eventually we'll just paint over this whole pan, even the primer that's on it. Just to get it one solid, flat looking color. All right, let's get to work. I'm not sure where I might put y'all back here. Well, we didn't do much today, but to get this ground down, tried to get up there best I could. I'm probably just gonna have to get in here off camera and get these welds up here. But I think we'd have it okay. Can't really tell that spot unless you get real close. And like I said, liner liner or something like that's gonna go in here, lizard skin or something. So with that texture, it'll be enough to kind of help cover up all my imperfections. But I'm gonna come back over here. I hit the can right there, so I have to sand that down and put some more of that on it. But I think I just ran out of the rust reformer, and I guess I used the other one already. Yeah, we used the other one on the bed, so I get some more cans of that, and we'll finish this pan out through here, and then hopefully we can start getting up in here, back up in here, and getting all that kind of cleaned up and knocked down and painted black. But yeah, slowly but surely we're getting this pasture side kind of done. Anyways, not much, but just chipping away at it. Well, I guess that'll do it for me today. Just kind of getting this taken care of in here. Hopefully soon we can move on to something else, but need to get some more paint. And I really want to finish this side transmission tunnel and this pan out up here. And then we might move across the back pan to the driver's side and start on it. The top part, getting it ground down and all the old paint and rust off of it. And after that, we'll move to something else. But anyways, I'm actually took off this morning. Supposed to be at work right now, but I'm gonna go in here after I get done with this. Yesterday, my wife's business, somebody ran through our ditch and did a donut in our gravel parking lot. Created some pretty good sized ruts in there, so we're starting to build a privacy fence across the front of the property. And I did that last night instead, and I was pretty tired, so I didn't feel like coming out here. So I thought I'd take off this morning and come in here, try to get a little bit done. I'll try to get in here and do longer videos more often. Seems like everything's hitting at one time, pulling me in different directions. So we'll continue on this. Next time, go up on the pan here, try to get those welds knocked down, which I may do that off camera because I can't really get in there real good with the camera angles and all that stuff. But at least we'll get it knocked down, and then I'll paint it with that rust reformer. Be done with the inside here. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Use something with Bronco. Like I said, we'll continue on with this. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. If you made it this far, thank you tremendously. It does really help the channel out with my watch time. And we'll just keep on. Hopefully get this side blacked out and move over. And then by then, hopefully we'll have fitting our door pillars and get all that stuff squared away so we can get the buggy off the frame. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.